Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jish and this is going to be the first of a very new type of series for this channel, but this is what's going on in my life right now. Welcome to the workshop. And in this video, we're going to be doing things a little bit differently. I'm going to be showing you my workshop and the workshop in general of Tom, who I share this with, and we're going to do some workshop vlogs because there's so many cool things that happen in this place and it'd be a shame not to share it with you. So stick around if you like this sort of thing. If you love RX7's, rotaries, that sort of things, as well as the bikes, then you're in for a treat. But yeah, this is a day in the life of Jish, Tom, and this workshop. So even though my area isn't exactly large, there's still so much we can do in here. I've got plenty of other storage space and stuff out the way to keep this area clean, but I love this space. I'm thinking this is going to be a really nice place to work. Now, the rest of the workshop, this is where it gets interesting. Turbo! 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 You there? What is your name?
Thomas.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello.
This is Tom, who I share this workshop with, under the name Advocate Motorsport. And yeah, I'll show you what he does. So, not a rotary specialist.
No, definitely not.
No, he doesn't have multiple rotaries in here of many RX7's and RX8's that he's working on right now.
See, what we really do is customers bring their rotary powered cars in for, fixing and things. But while they're not looking, we like throw a K24 in.
Of course, yeah.
Just for a laugh.
Or just big turbos on anything that you do. Turbo! And the beauty of this workshop is we've just got so much room and tools to do things. So we've got a 2-post lift over there for cars. We've got a 4-post ramp over here. We've got a fabrication room where we can make as much mess as we like. So yeah, there's always plenty going on around here. With the bike stuff right now, I'm actually planning on selling these two. The Suzuki's probably going to be the easiest one to sell because it's the one that's currently running the best, pretty much ready to go, no problems with it. The Yamaha, on the other hand, I still need to sort the carbs out. I'm tempted to make an actual airbox chamber so we can actually get it running properly because it's still running like a bag of nails. But yeah, we've still got the CB125 that we've got in that we're going to be making a cafe racer out. It's going to be a very classic, simple cafe racer style thing, but I mean, it's going to hopefully look pretty cool. So yeah, let me know if you want to see any more on that build. This is Rich. You might remember him from older videos like Jish Adventures. He's back at it with his RX7. I know you're doing that specific job, but I mean, overall, there's a lot more going on. I think the end goal for you right now is getting your car running, I'm guessing.
Getting it running and getting it being the best it can be for its humble return.
Because some of you may know, like, this car has been around in lots of my old videos over many of years, because this is Rich's RX7, who's... How long have you had it for now?
11 years.
11 years. He's had this car so long. And it's been through so many transformations over the years, but yeah, this is the latest one.
That's where you roll the B-roll of all
the B-roll. I ain't going back through those many years of footage to find all the different Jish adventures we've been on. But right now, we're just trying to get it. This year, it's going to be back on the road. How long? It's been off the road for like 3 years now?
about 5.
Okay, it's been off the road for 5 years. There'll be more content on that car specific, but yeah, let him crack on. After all these years,
Still represented.
This
This is an original.
Is it?
This
was Josh's.
more than the original. That is the first, the very
this is the
first
original,
hoodie that I printed
yeah.
when I made that company.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Intercooler. Keeping it cool. But this car right here, this is what I want to talk about. This is my new car. Not really. It's not my car at all. It's just a car that's been around a long time in this workshop, and the amount of work that's gone into this thing, I just really wanted to show it off. This is a really cool RX7. Rather than me telling you about this thing, how about we talk to the guy who built it?
Hi.
Tell me about this car. Tell me yeah, what you've done to it, because obviously it's far from standard.
Yeah, so it came to us still on twin turbos, and it was on an Apexi ECU, and they were good for like their time. But things have progressed a little since then, and the customer brought it to us, just wanted, it was a new car to him and he didn't really know the cars very well, so he just wanted a bit of a health check and make sure everything was okay. It wasn't boosting properly and the ECU was locked, and there was just a bunch of issues, and with the way it was set up mechanically, it was never going to quite be what he wanted. So we had a good chat about how to make what he wanted out of the car. And that turned into single turbo conversion. There was already a lot of really good bits on it, so some bits we didn't really have to touch. We had to modify some things, and he just wanted to put his own touch on the car, and he wanted reliable horsepower. So did a big single turbo conversion, repainted everything, made it look nice, Haltech ECU, bits of bodywork.
I mean, the wing is incredible on this thing.
Yeah, it already had the wing, but we had to make our own stands because he wanted it a bit taller, and he was right. It was a bit too low, and it didn't really quite suit the aggression of the rest of the car. So yeah, we've done loads and loads. But
it looks fantastic. It sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds nuts. It's nice because it's the wastegates are venting to atmosphere, so on boost you get that like jet engine sound, which he really wanted. But just doing a few road tests has just highlighted a couple of things, like the splitter destroying itself, and when these get hot, they get very hot. The turbo moves forward ever so slightly, and we've had to cut this relief hole out the bonnet, so we've just had to cut a little more just to allow for when it moves.
Yeah.
And we just want to make sure it's perfect for when he picks it up, really.
Cool. If you want to hear more, you can go and check the video we've made on Advocaat channel. There's more technical specs, there's more detail, more video niceness there. And yeah, you can have a proper little look around this car. So I know this video has been a very different one. I know it's probably a bit more rough and ready than some of my other videos, but I just want to make more content this year. I want to show off more of what goes on in my life and the kind of things that I'm doing day to day. So I just thought I'd share it with you. Let me know if you like it down below. Thumbs up, of course. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Hi Tom, do you make things?
Alright, my name's Tom, I make stuff.